Hello everyone, myself Shweta Anande and I'm studying in second year BHMS. In this video, I will be talking about the BAP strategy to qualify summer 2021 MUSH University exam for all my repeater friends. Welcome you all. First of all, the categories of students watching this video will be different. Some of you may have your first subject back, some may have two or three as well. But no worries because I'm here to pull you all out from this. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do so and hit that like button. So pull out your pen and paper and note down with me. First, let's count the days you have in your hands that you supposed to give your exam in April, but by COVID your exams are postponed to the June. So from 28th April to the 31st of May, you have total 33 days in your hands, and my friends, you can conquer the world in this. So please don't worry. Now, what you have to do is categorize the high marks giving chapters first and go through them in 2 days, by which you will be familiar with the subtopics or point in those chapters. So, you are now left with 31 days. Take out all the previous year's papers according to your batch. Now, now in 31 days, we have to cover all about the subject. Let's redivide the 31 days in four categories, that is, first number 5 days of collection, second 15 days of learning, third 6 days of writing, and fourth 5 days of revision. So let's discuss each in detail now. First, that is collection of ideal answers that you will write in your answer sheet. What is it? The initial 5 days will be for your all collection of the ideal answers that you will write in your examination, and because of which you don't have to rush for answers that you will refer in last days of your revision, and you can sit and revise calmly. So you have to write it down in a neat and well mannered handwriting in a notebook. And if you have already done it or some of the answers are well prepared by you previously, then you have these bonus days which you can put in our next lot of days. Okay, now the next slot of days is 15 days, and these are for your learning days. That is, you have to learn all your collected answers. You can do it in many ways like writing, memorizing, speaking and memorizing, or by mnemonics, etc. So choose which works best for you. Now 20 days are gone, but in which you have all your ideal answers in your notebook as well as in your brain. So it's time for our writing slot of days, that are 6 days. In these 6 days, you have to tackle with all your drawbacks. That is, in your previous attempts, some of you may have problems that time is not sufficient. Oh God, time is not sufficient. So in these days, you have to overcome this problem. So do lot of practice of writing the answers which you have learned in last learning slot of 15 days with the time management, that put your clock set for 7 minutes for short note, then 15 minutes for long answers question for 10 marks, and 40 minutes for 20 marks LQs. And this technique will definitely help you and give you results. Next, last slot of our 31 days plan, that is revise time. For 5 days, all you have to do is reread, revise, and review. Okay, now in these 5 days, along with revising, you can learn some of the questions which you may couldn't do in the 15 days of learning span, and again can do the writing and other practice. Okay, or it will be great if you revise by writing method. So that's all. You are done with your subject, whether it may be anatomy, physiology, or pharmacy. A reminder for you all that with this commitment of 33 days, you have to do required hard work, and then only you will be successful in achieving your goals. So be consistent, and in this golden time, prove yourself, and nothing is impossible. In the next upcoming videos, I will give another strategies for those who have 2 or 3 subject backs. So till then, stay safe, stay healthy, keep learning, and always dare to be wise. Like, share, and subscribe.